You like sing like you're like.
He's gonna record,
Yeah, I know that.
Wait, what did I do?
You can't sing.
What did I do?
You oink like a pig.
She did. I'm making fun of her.
I was like, Miss Mistletoe.
Yeah.
Brooke.
Oh, she was filming. She was filming. You keep getting beaten by little kids.
I hate you, girls.
I thought you said you're nice.
I am nice.
We have proof that you're not nice. My cheeks hurt from laughing.
Have you ever laughed so hard? Or so
No.
much?
No. I never stopped.
Do I look like I care?
No.
Yes, you
I
do.
don't care.
You need to do that to the
Lily,
waitress.
Lily knows how silly I am. I don't care.
I seriously think we're gonna get you down.
Probably. Maybe.
Are you allowed on YouTube?
What?
Are you allowed on YouTube?
You better not put that on YouTube.
It'll be our blooper. Our bloopers are private.
you might get 1 million followers for that video.
Oh, can we? Can we put it on?
I don't care.
Our
Yes,
bloopers-
we got it.
Really?
We got permission.
That's a great blooper.
Yeah. It is.
Wait, I wanna watch it.
Okay. Alright.
Excuse me.
Hey, we were just watching a video.
Okay, wait, let's watch it. Oh my god, that's where he snorts.
Oh, you snorted.
A few minutes or a few seconds more and he'll do it again. He did it again.
That was so funny.
Oh my god.
We're all on.
Yep.